Calling the attention of Filolino Alicia, Carabel of PSKTV. Palakpak Princess Alia of PSKTV. Please proceed to the stage for awarding. Calling for that attention of 16 to 17 years old boys and boys. Salomir Vincent from Karate Development and Sports. Please proceed to the stage area. Last one po, 18 years old and above, advanced categories. Ocho, Brent Nelson from Philippine Karate Competition and Sports, KAS. Please proceed to the stage area. Last one po, 8 years old and above, advanced categories. Ocho, Brent Nelson from Philippine Karate Competition and Sports, KAS. Please proceed to the staging area. Winners for 2022 Shooting Star Girls. Bronze, Olivario Rodriguez of PKPS Houston. Silver.
Nice!
The selected opponent of Karate Development Arts and Sports. Bronze. Palakpak Princess Alia of PSKTV. And bronze, Filolino Alicia of PSKTV. Congratulations. After point, is on the Baba Gansana boys, please proceed to the staging area.
Nice!
Winner of 8-9 open color board, gold. At kilo 30 of 80